Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable captions in Google Meet in 2026. If you want to see live subtitles during a meeting, Google Meet has a built-in captions feature that can automatically convert speech into text in real time. This feature is very useful for online classes, business meetings, interviews, webinars, and video conferences. Let's get started. First, open Google Meet in your web browser. You can either start a new meeting or join an existing meeting using a meeting link. Once you are inside the meeting, look at the bottom toolbar of the screen. This is where you will find all the main meeting controls. On the bottom toolbar, locate the CC button. The CC button stands for Captions. Simply click this button once to enable live captions. As soon as you click it, the button will become highlighted, and Google Meet will start displaying spoken words as text on the screen. Whenever someone speaks during the meeting, the captions will appear automatically. One important thing to remember is that captions work best when participants speak clearly and have a stable internet connection. Background noise or unclear audio may affect caption accuracy. If you want to change the language of the captions, click the More Options menu, then open the Captions or Language settings. From there, you can choose a supported caption language. Google Meet will then generate captions in the selected language whenever possible. Captions can be extremely helpful in many situations. They make meetings easier to follow, especially if the audio quality is not very clear, someone is speaking quickly, or you are joining from a noisy environment. They are also useful for accessibility, allowing participants with hearing difficulties to follow the conversation more easily. If captions are already enabled, the CC button will usually appear highlighted. To turn captions off, simply click the CC button again. The highlighted color will disappear, and the live captions will stop showing on the screen. Keep in mind that captions are different from recording. Enabling captions only displays live text during the meeting. It does not save a transcript unless your organization's Google Workspace settings provide that feature. So the process is very simple. Join a Google Meet meeting, click the CC button, and captions will be enabled instantly. Click the same button again whenever you want to disable them. That's how you enable captions in Google Meet in 2026. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Google Meet and Google Workspace tutorials.